I cut the bag into two pieces. That's the back and that's the front. I started inserting the shredded leathers into the body, the one I didn't shred totally. I preserved 1 centimeter each from the basis of the mat. So I started arranging the shredded leather one by one gently, and I made sure I did it in an orderly manner so that they will all fit into this. At this junction, I was not using pin to hold it down. I discovered that it was being difficult, so I had to get my safety pins, and I used it to hold the edges down while I keep on matting the leather. This was where I got my safety pins, and I started using it to hold the leathers down. Remember, I forgot to mention I cut 1 centimeter each for each strand, and also the incisions I made on the foundation. The leather I'm using as the foundation is also 1 inch difference between them. So this is me. I'm always halfway done, and I ensured the work I was doing was styling, black followed by white, followed by black, followed by white. So this is me doing finishing touches to the mat. I'm trying to protect the edge of the mat using another fabric to seal the end. So guys, this is what we have, the table mats done and dusted. I forgot to take a picture of the old bag I used in making this, but this is the process.